Let's learn ABCs with the animals. A is for alligator. Alligator. Can you say alligator? B is for bear. B. B is for bear. Can you say bear? C is for cat. Cat. Can you say cat? D is for dolphin. Dolphin. Can you say dolphin? E is for elephant. Elephant. Can you say elephant? F is for frog. Can you say frog? G is for giraffe. Giraffe. G. Can you say giraffe? H is for hippo. Can you say hippo? I is for iguana. Iguana. Can you say iguana? J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? K is for koala. Koala. Can you say koala? L is for lion. Lion. Can you say lion? M is for monkey. 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 Can you say monkey? N is for narwhal. Narwhal. Can you say narwhal? Narwhal. O is for octopus. Octopus. Can you say octopus? P is for panda. Panda. Can you say panda? Q is for quail. Quail. Can you say quail? R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Can you say rabbit? S is for starfish. Starfish. Can you say starfish? T is for tiger. Can you say tiger? U is for urchin. Urchin. Can you say urchin? Urchin. V is for vulture. Vulture. Can you say vulture? W is for whale. Whale. Can you say whale? X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Can you say X-ray fish? Y is for yak. Yak. Can you say yak? Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. And can you say zebra?